do not hesitate to call on us, any of us, for we service the people on earth. We are never bothered or burdened by your requests, big or small, for you are a divine being of light, worthy of all love and abundance. Let us comfort you, guide you, and ease your pathway. We are part of your team whenever you should need us. So that was a beautiful message, because a lot of times people feel like, hey, I don't want to bother them with such a trivial thing, or my glasses. You have to remember that in their dimensional reality, they're not restricted like we are in this third dimension of time and space. They're infinite, and they have the ability to connect with any of us simultaneously. We think of having our energy just in one place and one time. They're not like that. They're infinite, and they can connect to all of us at the same time, because they're not bound by the time-space construct of our Earth pathway. So that's good to know. And then also just realize that it doesn't matter what religion you are or what your background is. You can call on these archangels regardless of your belief system. So the same goes for the Pleiadians, or you can call on the ETs, the benevolent ETs that service Earth. Okay, we have certain groups of ETs that service Earth. We have archangels that service Earth. And so we can call on them at any time, and they're not going to feel put out. It's more like calling someone. The Arcturians put it this way the other day. They said it's like calling a good friend on the telephone. We want to communicate with you. We want you to communicate with us. Don't feel like it's a burden, because for them, it's a pleasure. It is a joy. And it can also be a joy for us, because it eases our pathway, and it doesn't have to be so difficult. Why do we have to make everything so difficult? Okay, so that is something that they really wanted me to share. The other thing that I wanted to share with you is in terms of life purpose. This is something that I have been studying for a really long time, and I have been studying it through the fingerprints. So your fingerprints form 5 months before you're born. They're fully formed at that point, and they never, ever change. So they represent your soul imprint. So when you come to Earth and you come to this body and you come to this experience, you have a map that shows you your pathway and what your soul is really working towards achieving. So I love to use hand reading and hand analysis and fingerprint analysis to guide people in their purpose. So if you're wondering about that, I do one-on-one sessions with people to help them understand their roadmap. But there's lots of different ways to tap into purpose. We can tap in through meditation, courtesy of those archangels. And we can also get information just in our daily lives.